Today we are testing out a side-by-side drain pan. Basically, the terminations on these are both at the same height. So we got in this case, on the right-hand side is the main drain, and you can see on the left-hand side that part of it is blocked. So that's the higher level that the auxiliary safety switch would be mounted to and trigger a stoppage on your main drain. So we're seeing how this side-by-side factors up to one that's raised. We tested a Summit coil last time, which had an elevation raise on the auxiliary port. And what happens here is when the water flows over that higher level, water can get trapped and stick in there, but we got to adjust these float switches so that they trip at the right level of water, and that if the water were to get blown in there, that it wouldn't stay tripped. We want it to drain back, because sometimes there's air blowing in these coils, or actually all the time there's air blowing in these when they're operating, and we don't want the AC to be kicking on and off. So we're testing these out. I know when these get installed, they typically throw the float switch on and walk away. We're just curious how well these work and what kind of adjustments need to be made now that they are offering adjustments on these float switches, at least on some of them. Like I said, this SS2 was not adjustable, but these newer ones, like this one here, the SS2, and also this all-access safety switch. These are all switches made by Rector Seal. This one's an AA2-FS, and those are adjustable, so we need to know what to set those at in order to have them perform properly. Hopefully at the end of this video, we'll have a better idea how they perform and what modifications need to be made to the switches to get them to operate correctly.